Hello, this is me, Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional, as well as an owner of a Google marketing company. And in case if you need Google Ads audit, setup, or management services, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description. Now, let's get started on the question I have today. And the question is: Google Ads campaign has died. Managed IT services. I have a localized campaign that was doing well, 4 states getting 10 to 20 conversions a month on average of 4 months. Then it all died. My question is it common for a campaign to just up and die with no changes? Google it taking my spend, but there are absolutely Google it, or maybe Google rep, or maybe Google taking my spend, but there are absolutely no conversions coming my way. Is this common that a working healthy campaign would just up and die? Now my ad consultant is working to fix this issue for the past 30 days, but so far nothing is worked and my spend. Help me shed some light in this. I cannot continue hemorrhage money, and I'm considering quitting Google Ads due to the loss and hiring many salespeople instead, as my spend would support 3 salespeople full time. Okay, before I answer this, in case if you guys have a trouble like this, or in case if you need Google Ads audit setup or management services, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description. Now moving on, there could be several things. Okay, first look around for your change history. Change history can tell you if there were any changes you have done on your campaign in the last before 4 months, or when the campaign actually died. Look around for those changes. That could be an ultimate reason for your someone has done it. So go into your Google account, simply go to the search bar. In case if you don't know, is simply write over here change history, and you will get to know change history, and you can easily reverse those changes. Someone has done on your account, you can simply undo the change, all of the changes. Look around the date wise and simply undo the changes. So the first thing you can do is look for your change history. The second thing which I think is look for your tracking. Conversion tracking, is it working well? Because if campaigns are dropping, it means that the conversion tracking is running well. Then Google will know what's working well for you, and there is a very less chance that conversion tracking is running well and still you get a drop in conversions. The third is your competitors may be clicking on your ad. Okay, that could be a possibility. So the solution is work on your analytics, heat map, anti-fraud trick detector to see if they surround. Also, when you analyze the people who are visiting your website and not doing conversions, where they are leaving. Are they leaving on the main page, on a sub page, add to cart, where they are leaving? This can help you in figuring out. Also, see competitor analysis. What has changed? Maybe there is a change in the market and you are not following up that change. Look around for that one and see for that. Because you said that you are running a localized campaign, and for a localized campaign you need to have Google business profile being linked. So with the Google business profile being linked, maybe you got ample of negative reviews. Have you look on this aspect of getting negative reviews on your campaign? This could be another possibility why there is a decline in conversion or campaigns has died. Also one thing which I like to simple out, which people forget, is that if there is a sudden decrease, what I suggest you is to do a sample conversion yourself to see if there is any problem on your website. Sometimes it happens, and I have seen in many clients that they unknowingly don't know, but there is a problem in their system or in the checkout, which ultimately leads in the declining of conversion. So look for that and get it sorted. If there could be any issue, simply look for sample conversion yourself, and see if there is any issue in the checkout or any issue while you feel. In case if you don't feel get an issue, yeah, it's perfect. But in case if there is an issue, that might be another reason why you are over there. And because I try to look around for the competitors, see if there is any new offer, new keywords. Also look around for your market trends in your country or the country you are targeting. I hope you are doing it. I'm not saying it that you don't know doing it, but I'm giving you a suggestion that look around for the market trend as well. Is there any abnormal thing happen in your area? Maybe sudden violence, maybe something unexpected. I'm just giving you an example. So sort out those or wait for that time. So that could be another possibility. Sometimes you're also doing little tweaks like ad optimizations, come up with ad tweaks that can help. Also look for your keyword search term report. For instance, if this is a key Google account, just have to search for your search term report and see where the people are not coming but not converting. Add those keywords in your negative and look for the keywords where you're getting sales or you used to get sales before 4 months. Spend more money in that time, our location, places, money, so that you can get it all sorted. But again, these are just a few ideas based on my assumption of what data you have provided. I tried to be brief. There may be an account mistake happen, but in case if that has happened, you can simply reverse it by change history. But there could be any other unexpected issue as well. So a detailed Google Ads audit is required to get sorted. In case if the audience or in case if you want a detailed Google Ads audit of your account, you can simply hire me and my team through the link in the description. And we look forward to working with you for Google Ads audit, setup, management, Google Shopping Company, search company. We offer so many services. So yeah, I hope you like this video and we look forward to working with you. In case if you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that whenever I create a new video, you guys get a notification regarding it. Once again, thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye.